Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing something I've never done before, and that is a split dye job. I'm going to be doing half bubblegum pink and half seafoam green from Iroiro, and we're going to see how this goes. I've also never used pastel colors, so that will be interesting to see if they take. I am actually going to first use Vanilla No Yellow and shampoo my hair and see if I can tone out some of the yellow going on. Maybe even this like patch of neon green that's just sticking so hard. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash and dry that, and then I will come back to do the colors. All right, so I washed with the Vanilla No Yellow and blow dried, and this is what I'm left with. Before I section, I wanted to show you what it looks like. That's strong, okay? You see like the whole bottom half of my hair is like silver white basically, and the whole top half is still this very pale yellow with still remnants from when I let my daughters dye my hair that I've been trying to fade, but we're just gonna work with however it comes out. We're just gonna deal with it. I'm only hoping that my hair is not drastically different from where it's a yellow and silver. I hope it's like, I hope it blends well, or even just comes out like roughly the same color, but that's probably not gonna happen. I also have like some remnants of pink or purple right here still, so who knows how that's gonna affect it. But also my hands are stained purple from that shampoo. I'm telling you, I left it on for like a minute at most because I've used it before and it can turn your hair like dark, right, if you leave it too long. So beware if you're ever gonna use that shampoo. Like, don't just let it sit on your hair. Like, put it on maybe 30 seconds to a minute and then rinse. That's all you need. All right, so I am sectioned off, and I want to correct myself. I called the pastel green, but it's really more like a blue, I think. I was under the impression it was green. I've watched some YouTube videos of people using it, and it comes out more like a green in my opinion, but we'll see how it comes out on me. Probably green, especially where the yellow parts are, because blue plus yellow equals green. The pink is just bubblegum pink, so this may be more like a cotton candy look. We'll see. But I am ready to get started, so we'll see. right, so here we are, all applied, and I'm gonna let this sit for at least 30 minutes. Because they're pastel colors, I may give them a little extra time, but probably an hour tops. But yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. It's definitely more blue than I thought it was gonna be, but also I can see greens coming out. It's like blue, green, like seafoam. I'm excited to see how this is gonna come out. I will check back in with you after I have rinsed it out and dried, and I'll show you the final results. All right, so this is the finished look and I'm obsessed. Okay, this is hardly pastel, right? Like, my hair must be super porous or something because this stuck so hard. This side's basically neon, and this side, not neon, but definitely darker than pastel. I'm so happy with how this came out. This might be my favorite look that I've done. I've always wanted to do like a warm side and a cool side split dye, and I'm so happy that I did this. That's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. I hit 10 subscribers last month. I'm so infinitely grateful. I would love to hit 20 subscribers by the end of the year, so please help make that happen. I will see you in the next one. Bye.